Hello. The average Ghanaian working class usually wake up as early as 4 a.m. and leave their homes for work at 5 a.m. in order for them to beat traffic on their way. Many would not return home until late night. Even if they are self-employed, they often are too tired and can't find time to do their own washing. Usually, their weekends are cherished for maximum rest and relaxation, so they can't sacrifice their weekend for their laundry. The name is Prince Muhat, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing in order for you not to miss my interesting and educative videos like this one. So respected viewers, basically, in this video we're going to look at how one can start his or her laundry business so easy. So the very first is register the business at the Registrar General Department. Respected viewers, at any point in time whenever you want to do business, our advice we try our possible best to register the business to gain legality. The second to consider is select a good location. When it comes to location, you have to pick the right location for your laundry business. Your location is usually crucial to the success of your business. The best locations are usually highly trafficked areas. Situating your laundry business beside a road with a good and bold signboard advertising your service could help increase the rate of your business growth. Also, the third is buy your laundry equipment. Once you have gotten a good location to set up your laundry business, respected viewers, you have to purchase the necessary equipment, which ranges from pressing irons, wide ironing table, washing machines, tags, cloth hangers, buckets, and many others, respected viewers. The fourth is promote your laundry service business, that is marketing. After setting up your business, you have to promote and market your business to your clients or to the public. This can be done by 1. Start putting up a large banner outside your location. Share flyers in the surroundings. Promote the business during social events. Brand vehicles used in pickup and drop-off service. Offer some discounts and free services. Price your items fairly, and also go extra mile in your customer service. Respected viewers, I would like to draw your mind to the fact that despite the fact in every business there are good side and the bad side, so as with this laundry, the bad side or the challenge could include clothes occasionally could get missing, clothes could get burnt, and so other. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Until then, we shall meet in the next episode. Bye.